Welcome to Matri Academy. Let's begin the chapter 9 Plant Physiology. Nitrogen, sodium, and potassium are primary nutrients, while calcium, magnesium, and sulfur are the secondary nutrients for plant growth. That is question asked in ICAR JRF 2003. Essential elements are actively involved in metabolism. The elements involved in pollen development is boron. Question asked in ICAR JRF 2004. Maize is an indicator plant for zinc. Indicator plant for potassium is potato. So PP, potassium and potato. Dieback of citrus is caused due to deficiency of copper. Khera disease of rice is due to the deficiency of zinc. Question asked in IRI 2004. Grey speck disease of oat is due to the deficiency of manganese. When young leaves become necrotic, principal vein dark green, stalk short and slender. It is due to the deficiency of iron. Question asked in ICAR JRF 2004. Deficiency of iodine leads to goiter. Question asked in ICAR 1999. The richest source of iron is spinach. Micronutrients associated with translocation of sugar is boron. Plant growth regulator and physiological movement in plants. Growth and secondary metabolite production are inversely related. Avena curvature test was conducted by Wendt in 1928 for deciphering the oxygen effect. Question asked in ICAR JRF 2003. Auxin application on roots increases water uptake. Question asked in ICAR JRF 2003. Hormone produced during climatic rise of fruits is ethylene. Asked in 2003. Ripening hormone is ethylene. Question asked in ICAR JRF. The Leachman-Lang effect is due to cytokinins. Stress hormone is abscisic acid and the stress protein is proline. Question asked in ICAR JRF 2003. Osmosis is the flow of solvent through a semi-permeable membrane. Hormone directly involved in stomatal closing and opening is abscisic acid. Question asked in ICAR JRF 2003. Hormone that promotes lateral bud development is cytokinin, while auxin promotes apical bud development. The growth regulator which largely affects mobilization of nutrients is cytokinin. P stem swelling is the bioassay test for ethylene. Hormone involved in fruit coloration is ethylene. Auxin and ethylene generally promote femaleness, that is, they induce the development of female flowers, while gibberellins promote male flower development. Abscission is prevented by all auxins, gibberellic acid, and cytokinin. Gibberellic acid is used to break down the dormancy. Question asked in ICAR JRF 1999. Gibberellic acid was discovered by Kursova in Gibberella fusicori. Leaf fall is caused by abscisic acid. Question asked in ICAR JRF 1999. Movement in response to directional flux or environmental stimuli is known as tropism. Change in plant response with respect to change in temperature is known as thermotactism. Question asked in ICAR JRF 2000. Thermoperiodism in plants is due to the temperature effect. Question asked in JRF 2001. Seeds whose germination is promoted by light are known as positively photoblastic seeds. ICAR JRF 2000. Theory of endogenous rhythm of flowering was proposed by Chalikian. ICAR JRF 2003. Hypothetical flowering hormone is florizone. The concept of photoperiodism was proposed by Garner and Allard in 1920 in Maryland mammoth, a mutant of tobacco. Question asked in ICAR JRF 2003. Substance which absorb light at 660 to 730 nanometer and influences flowering is phytochrome. ICAR JRF 2000. The pigment which undergo transformation under bloom and 730 nanometer light and influences flowering in plants is phytochrome. IRI 2000. Blue-green pigment involved in flowering is phytochrome. ICAR JRF 2003. Light range for functioning of phytochrome is from 660 nanometer to 730 nanometer. Question asked in ICAR JRF 2001. Active form of phytochrome is P. Pigment involved in morphogenesis is phytochrome, ARS 2007. Phytochrome is a part of chromoprotein, ICAR JRF 2000, 2001 and ARS 2001. Then the short day plants, soybean, potato, sugarcane, chrysanthemum, xanthium, tobacco, rice, cannabis sativa, datura, onion, upland cotton and strawberry all are the short day plants. Then the long day plants are spinach, lettuce, radish, alfalfa, poppy, oats and wheat. Then day neutral plants are tomato, cucumber, cotton, peas, sunflower and maize. Maize is a day neutral plant asked in ICAR JRF 1999. Sugarcane is a short day plant ICAR JRF 2004. Plants which flower when exposed to day length exceeding a critical duration are called quantitatively long day plant. Term vernalization was coined by Lysenko. The theory of vernalization was given by Lysenko. The concept of vernalization was explained by Lysenko and the concept of florigen was given by Chalikian. Question asked in ICAR JRF 2001. Vernalization stimulus is present at the stem apex, that is the apical meristem. Question asked in IRI 2000, 2001. Vernalization is most effective at seedling stage, ICAR JRF 2000. The term thermoperiodism was coined by Wendt. Fertilization in plant was discovered by Strasburger. Mechanism that favors self-fertilization is that florets of flowers in such plants do not open. Osmosis is a passive process, while endocytosis, phagocytosis, pinocytosis, and exocytosis are active processes. Osmotic potential for haplophytes as compared to other plants is higher. ICAR JRF 2004. The absorption of water by roots when there is a high water tension in the leaves is by transpirational pull. ICAR JRF 2003. When water is removed out of cell, then it resists change due to decrease in pressure potential. IRI 2000. Guttation is usually seen when relative humidity is high and there is less transpiration. Guttation occurs due to root pressure. ICAR JRF 2003. Guttation occurs due to turgor pressure. Question asked in IRI 2000. Pressure potential will be negative in xylem. Movement of water from root cells to the plant leaf is affected when leaf is having a negative potential. ICAR JRF 99. Rising of water from root to the tip is because of transpirational pull. IRI 2001. The instrument used to measure water potential is pressure bomb apparatus or tensiometer. Question asked in IRI 2000. Saline environment grown plants are called haplophytes. IRI 2001. The estimation of a quantitative compound present in leaf is done by chromatography. ARS NET 2001. Seeds which cannot tolerate desiccation and can only be stored for a shorter period are known as recalcitrant seeds. Stomata close at higher concentration of carbon dioxide. IRI 2000 question. Chemicals which regulate opening and closing of stomata is PMA, phenyl mercuric acetate. Microsporogenesis occurs in anthers, ICAR JRF 2003. The biologist postulated that the cell has got small pores for free carbon dioxide and oxygen exchange, ARS NET 2001. Hydrogen peroxide is responsible for climacteric in fruits. It enhances the oxidation and breakdown of membrane in ripening fruits. Hydrogen peroxide is also required for the peroxide catalyzed reaction necessary for ethylene biosynthesis. Under water stress condition, which hormone gets accumulated inside plant cells? That is abscisic acid. Question asked in ICAR JRF 2001. Under water stress condition, which amino acids get accumulated inside plant cells? That is the proline. ICR JRF 2001. Anti-transpirants is phenyl mercuric acetate, Mobileaf, Cacoline, carbon dioxide, CCC and malic hydride. Question asked in IRI 2000. Phenyl mercuric acid is a stomata closing anti-transpirant. Asked in JRF 2003. Which nutrient play the most effective role in controlling the rate of transpiration? That is the potassium. Ratio of carbon dioxide fixed to the water transpired give water use efficiency. ARS 2005. Germination test is carried out to check the seed viability. Question asked in IRI 2000. Tag color of certified seed is blue. Fruit polyombryony is very common in citrus. Question asked in ICR JRF 2003. Immunological reaction is performed in serum albumin. ICR JRF 1999. Pigment melanin is responsible for skin color. ICR JRF 2003. For transport of sugar, phosphorus is required, while for the synthesis of sugar, potassium is required. IRI 2001. Sugar can store carbohydrate in the form of sucrose. The secondary messenger involved in signal transduction is cyclic AMP. ICR JRF 1995. Most transmembrane protein or proteins that are designed to be secreted are synthesized with an N-terminal signal peptide of 13 to 16 predominantly hydrophobic residue. Question asked in ARS 2004. In mammals, the protein metallothionein binds to excess heavy metals in cells and makes them unavailable, thereby protecting the cells from heavy metal injury. Product patent has come into the effect in India from January 1, 2005. Then these are the various match of the following which help you all in the upcoming exam. Then the cell enlargement, auxin, cell division, cytokinin, abscission, ethylene, stomata closure, abscisic acid, and internodal elongation, gibberellic acid. Then indole acetic acid discovered by Wendt in 1928. Gibberellic acid, dwarf maize, abscisic acid, leaf fall, cytokinin involved in cell division, and auxin involved in the polar transport. Next, the sickle cell of coca is due to the molybdenum. Scald of beans, zinc. Tea yellowing, sulfur. Dieback of citrus is due to copper. Grey speck of oats is due to manganese, and heart rot is due to the boron deficiency. Next, the top sickness of tobacco is due to boron. Marsh spot of tea is due to the manganese. Sickle leaf disease is due to phosphorus. Tip hooking, calcium, and pansuk of rice is due to the deficiency of ferrous. Then auxin is responsible for apical dominance, ethylene for fruit ripening, gibberellins for break bud dormancy, abscisic acid for stomata closure, and cytokinin for cell division. Next, the magnesium, a structural component of chlorophyll. Sulfur found in some amino acids. As you know, sulfur is found in the cysteine as a form of sulfhydryl and in the methionine in the form of thioether. Calcium found in middle lamella. Manganese required for enzymatic activity, and molybdenum required for nitrogen fixation. Next, Wendt discovered auxins, Kursauer discovered gibberellins, Waring discovered vernalization, Skoog discovered cytokinins, and Garner and Allard discovered photoperiodism. Then auxin is involved in the biosynthesis of tryptophan, ethylene in methionine, gibberellic acid acetyl coenzyme A, kinetin in adenine, and abscisic acid in xanthine. Then this match of the following is asked in IRI 2000-2003. That is, the copper is responsible for dieback of citrus. Calcium, blossom and rot of tomato. Molybdenum, whitwell of cauliflower. Manganese, grey speck of oats, and boron is browning of cauliflower. The next match of the following asked in ICR JRF 2001. Xanthium, short day plant, wheat, long day plant, tobacco, short day plant, and maize is the day neutral plant. Then again the phytohormone is used for flowering, biological clock is PFR, and peroxisomes is used in the photorespiration. Then the barley is the long day plant, cucumis is the deoneutral plant, xanthium is a short day plant, kalanchoe is a long day plant, and the squirrel cereal is the short day plant. So these all are about the plant physiology. I hope you all are enjoyed my session of this short notes. So you all are definitely prepared well for your upcoming examination by the rapid revision or quick revision I provided. So let's tune to my channel, and I hope you always wait for my new chapters quick revision. So thank you, and let's tune to my channel.